Hey everyone! Thanks again for making it back to my channel. For those who are new, this is the Finance Hub, and we're diving into the world of investing today, a topic that can feel exciting and intimidating all at the same time, especially if you're just starting out. But don't worry, we're going to break it down into simple, actionable steps that anyone can follow. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint, and even small steps can lead to big results over time. Now, I know you really want to hear this, so I'll jump right in. What is investing? Investing, simply put, is putting your money to work for you. Instead of letting your savings sit idle, or worse, lose value due to inflation, you're putting it into assets like stocks, bonds, or real estate with the hope that they'll increase in value over time. It's like planting a seed. You nurture it, give it time, and eventually it grows into something much bigger than what you started with. Investing works the same way. The key is to start early, be consistent, and be patient. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a solid financial future. Alright, are you ready to get this show on the road? Here are 2 fantastic ways to begin your investing journey. First, start with a budget. Budgeting might not sound as exciting as picking stocks, but trust me, it's the foundation of everything. You need to know how much money is coming in and where it's going before you can figure out how much you can invest. Don't overthink it. Start simple. Track your income and expenses for a month and see where you can cut back. Second, does your employer offer a 401k, a super fund contribution, or a similar retirement plan? If so, take advantage of it. These plans allow you to invest a portion of your paycheck before taxes are taken out, which can save you money in the long run. Often, employers even match a percentage of your contributions. It's free money, people. Investing experts say that you can start with as little as $100 if you open an online investing account and then automate whichever amount you're comfortable with into the account each month. Thanks for making it until this section of the video. I would love to ask you for a small favor from you, but with a big outcome for us. It will mean the world to us if you click the notification bell and subscribe to our channel. This will help us spread the word on financial information and grow our channel. Thanks very much for your support. Now let's hear some words of wisdom from 2 financial gurus who know a thing or two about building wealth. Warren Buffett famously said, "The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today." This applies perfectly to investing. Don't get caught up thinking you've missed the boat. The most important thing is to start now. And here's a nugget from Dave Ramsey. Financial peace isn't the acquisition of stuff. It's learning to live on less than you make, so you can give money back and have money to invest. You can't win until you do. Powerful words. It's not about being rich. It's about being in control of your finances. That's it for today's video. Remember, investing is a journey, and the best way to learn is by doing. Start small, stay consistent, and don't be afraid to ask for help along the way. Now, I want to hear from you. What are some other investing topics you'd like me to cover in future videos? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on the next video. Until next time, stay financially savvy.